Guys, so this is the other one. This is our other order na dumating from Shopee. This one is USB. Okay. So we will check. 256 din siya, guys. So yung 2 terabyte na USB, wow, may free pa. May free pa siya na OTG. Yan. Ano siya? Yan, may free siya na OTG. Dalawa, guys. Ito for sa cellphone ni Inday. Pang Apple, I think. And then this one is 3.5. So may free siya. Ito 56G. Okay, yan. So we will test this one if talagang 256G siya. So we purchased this one for pakita ko na sa inyo. Ano siya ba? Guys, yung okay na. Naman yung bubble, So ito na yan, guys, yung traveler natin. So nabili natin siya, original price is 900, tapos nag-promo for 75 plus the shipping na 100. So instead of 575, binayaran natin is 353. So we will check first if this is really correct na 256, and we will test later on as well. For we will try to download the videos. Okay, ay ka ma-open? Dito. Ano ma-try? Kaya ba't iwan ko sa TV? Open mo na. Open. Sakit? Sige na. Open. Go, wait lang. Sige, go. So we will try now. So this is what's this? Okay, so sliding. Yan. Okay, so we'll take a picture and we will run a test. Okay. Okay, now guys, we will connect. Okay, we will now connect. Guys, the USB, and we will check the properties. Okay, so yan na. Kanya more focused with. Okay, so check natin ang properties. Yan. So pangalanan natin siya na June USB. So sabi niya 256. So ngayon 249 siya. Okay. So apply. But we will try to run a test dito. Yan. Right, read and compare. So you can download this, guys. So I'll just share the link later on. And then once you downloaded this app, you can open it and then you can run a test. Okay, so start the test.
Perfect.
So this will erase all existing data. Okay. Oh, very good, guys. It looks green. Haha. So mas compare sa kanya focus. Compare sa isa doon na recoverable read error yun at hindi gumana. Ng supposed to be 2 terabyte yun, pero yung nagamit natin is just 28 gig. But this one looks promising, guys. Green siya. So we will sabi dito 8 hours remaining siya. So we will test later on and we will try to transfer files and see if how many gigabyte yung makukuha natin. Okay, so keep watching. Stop. So this is a continuous kasi na-cut off tayo kanina while we are doing this. Yan, nag-flatten siya, guys. Nakita nyo, umakyat siya sa 15. So somewhere na-interrupt siya. Okay, so we'll just wait kasi 1 minute na lang man. Then we will try to view the file, the movie, and see kung anong mangyayari dito. Okay, So once again guys, this is a warning for those na gusto bumili ng legit na flash drive. Wag kayong bumili agad-agad. So you do your due diligence in buying your products. Normally pag na-discover ko, normally pag flash drive na legit, let's say for example 32 gig, magagamit mo around 28 or 29. The price is around 200 pesos. For some like HP nasa 270, sometimes may promo sila. Yan, so we will see. Yan, completed na yung movie, no? So we will try to view. Okay. As you can see, parang na-transfer mo siya, parang it looks okay. Okay. So we'll view. Okay. Mabilisan lang to guys para wag tayong copyright. Yan. So okay siya dito. Okay pa din. Okay pa din. Okay, yan. Dito
Really bring her down.
Ditong part,
You have any
okay
idea
pa
who
siya.
this woman is? What she's done for this?
Pero yan. Yan, okay pa siya. Oh, yan oh.
Me. A spider. At the museum. I'm an
Yan,
arachnologist.
oh. So, yung mouse ko nasa middle
Spider
na.
hunter.
Yan.
You
So,
look
pag
like one.
nag-exceed siya guys sa allowed gig niya, magfa-flatten yung file. Nakita nyo kanina, umakyat from 4 or 6 Mbps per second, umakyat siya sa 15 at nag-flatten na siya. So ito na yun guys, yung blank. Ayan. So na-transferred siya successfully pero hindi na siya unreadable na yun. Corrupted na, you know. Dito naman oh, okay pa dito oh. Corrupted dito naman oh, nag-okay siya dito. Sorry. Pero dito corrupted siya. Hindi siya ma-play oh. Yan. So yan guys. Yan ang ang result niya. So hopefully naka-help to sa inyo. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Okay guys, so we will connect the USB now and this is the error. Yan. Problem on the USB device. Okay. Guys, so this is just an add-on. Just in case guys na pag na-transfer kayo ng file sa USB nyo, sa flash drive at hindi siya gumana, you just need to format it. Okay, so ito guys, sample lang ito sa 2 terabyte natin or any flash drive guys. Kapag hindi siya compatible sa TV nyo, normally yun ang problema. You just right click no, sa mouse mo, i-hover mo lang yung, i-select mo lang yung drive, your flash drive, right click, and then click format. And then ang naka-format dito guys, normally pag bagong bili, naka-exFAT yan, yung default. So in my case guys, when I use exFAT, pag i-plug into yung flash drive ko sa TV, hindi siya gumagana. There's a problem with the device. So, ang ginawa ko is I reformatted to NTFS. So I just selected NTFS and then I click quick format and then start. Okay. So, ngayon hindi ko siya i-format sa NTFS kasi na-format ko na siya at mayroon na tayong files dito. So, made-delete yan. So before you use or even transfer any files guys, test it. Try to transfer just one file or video or audio and then play it on your device like your TV or your home theater. And if it's not working, try to format it to a different file. Normally ang mga bagong USB ngayon, they are using exFAT. If it's an old one, FAT32. Okay, so I hope this helps guys. Thanks. guys, so this is our last video for today. Ito yung USB na Kingston. So ito siya guys, ito siya. Pinangalanan ko Tata USB. So check natin sa properties. As you can see guys, 249 yung ano, pero yung market niya is 256. So original price ito 475. Plus shipping fee na 100. So 475 sana yung mabayaran natin. But there is a discount, so kaya we just paid 353, no? So 256, 256, pero ang magagamit natin, sabi niya dito is 249, but in reality 26 lang. Pag nag-transfer tayo, so you can see on our previous screen capture, nakita natin na nag-flatten yung video. So meaning to say, hindi natin siya magagamit. So we asked for a refund. 161 yung refund, no? Na request natin. So they provided us a refund. Ito pakita ko sa inyo sa notification. Yan. So they provided us 162. So na ano siya, na credit na yung 162. So, magkano yan? 353, diba? So, 353. So, less 162. Wait lang. 353 less 162. So, yun. 191. Actual price niya kasi nag-ask tayo ng refund due to misrepresentation ng product. So pag bumili kayo guys sa online, make sure that you have the proof, and if the seller could not meet your expectations guys, you can definitely ask for a refund. A reasonable price naman yung 121 for 26 gig. Kasi most of the time yung legit, ang makikita ko na original na USB from the seller is 200 plus, so okay na din, at may kasama pa siyang mga freebie. So thank you guys for watching and hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.